This is a review of the 4B garden hose. This comes very compact, and when you look at the two different ends, this connector here has an inside gasket, so make sure that's in place. This one actually has a shutoff valve, and that's very convenient if you want to use this exclusively to water your lawn, whatever you might do with it. This is in the open position, so when I turn it to the side, that closes. Let me show you here the connector here and how the valve opens and closes. And this is just designed very well and has a very stretchy feel to it. Now this is in the collapsed form. When we fill it with water, which I'll show you in a minute, it will expand considerably. And as you can see, it is easy to work with. It doesn't get tangled, just has very small real estate. It doesn't take up a lot of room. You do have to fill it once, and I'll show you how to do that before you use it, and they recommend this process. So this is a time lapse. It's filling very quickly, and you'll see how much it expands when it's fully filled with water. Now I'm going to release the pressure as they recommend for the first time, and you'll see it gradually shrink. This is in real time, and so it takes a few seconds for this to go back to its original size, which makes it easy to stow. So I highly recommend this hose, and I appreciate you watching my review on it.